Hi friends, welcome to new video. This concept is 3D concept photo editing tutorial. I hope you enjoy this tutorial. This is the background you have to download. I will give every background link, PNG link in the description. Go to add photo and select the further PNGs one by one and follow my video so you can know how to edit this type of model photo editing tutorial for your images. It is very simple and easy tutorial. All you have to do is you have to download the PNGs and background and follow my video. Okay, first of all you have to arrange this PNG. Now go to stickers and add your model image. Before adding your model image, make sure you arrange your model background by using the cutout tool. Now arrange your model image perfectly in the center and follow my video. Friends, if you are still watching my video, please consider like, subscribe and share to your friends. Okay, tap on this notification bar. Friends, the editing in Picsart is completed. Now go to draw, save this image and shift this image to the Snapseed application. Open Snapseed application and you have to do further adjustments like in the video. I hope you really enjoyed this tutorial. Okay, please consider like, subscribe and share to your friends. If you subscribe to my channel and tap on bell, whenever I upload a new video, you will get the notification directly and you can watch my videos. This is the end of the video. I hope you all like this video. Please consider like, subscribe and share to your friends. See you in new video with new special concept photo editing tutorial.